Strategies for promoting fairness and equity in the workplace. Employers can promote fairness and equity in the workplace by implementing the following strategies. 1. Establish clear policies and procedures. Employers should establish clear policies and procedures for hiring, promotions, and compensations. These policies should be transparent and communicated to all employees. Number 2, provide training. Employers should provide training to managers and employees on issues such as unconscious bias, diversity, and inclusion. This can help to prevent discrimination and promote a more inclusive workplace. Conduct regular performance evaluations. Employers should conduct regular performance evaluations to ensure that employees are being evaluated fairly and based on objective criteria. Number 4, encourage employee feedback. Employers should encourage employees to provide feedback on their work environment and make changes based on this feedback. Number 5, ensure pay equity. Employers should ensure that employees are paid fairly and equitably for their work. This can be achieved by conducting regular pay equity audits and making adjustments as necessary.